Welcome. If you've been using X and want to make your screen easier on the eyes, switching to dark mode is the perfect move. It not only looks sleek, but it can also help save battery life and reduce glare when you're scrolling at night. In this quick guide, you'll learn step by step how to turn on dark mode in the X app with the latest update. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and on your home timeline. At the top left corner of your screen, you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. A menu will slide open with several options. From there, tap on Settings and Support to expand more choices. Now, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can manage all of your account preferences, including display and accessibility settings. Once inside, scroll down and tap on Accessibility, Display, and Language. This will open up another page where you can fine-tune how the app looks and feels. Tap on Display to move forward. Next, tap on Dark Mode. Here you'll see a few customization options. You can simply turn dark mode on, or you can set it to automatic so it switches based on the time of day. For now, let's choose to keep it active all the time. Immediately, the app will switch to a darker theme, giving you a much smoother and more comfortable viewing experience. That's all there is to it. Dark mode is now enabled, and your timeline, menus, and settings will all display in a darker shade that's easier on your eyes. It's a small change, but it really makes browsing X feel cleaner and more modern, especially in low light. If you ever want to switch it back, repeat the steps and turn the setting off or select automatic. This way, you stay in control of how your X app looks at any time of the day. Enjoy your new dark mode experience and keep exploring all the ways to customize your X app to match your style.